Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to cancel an Easyjet flight online. First, open the Easyjet website or open the Easyjet app on your phone. Once the page loads, look for the option that says Manage Bookings. Click or tap on Manage Bookings to continue. Next, you will need to sign in to your booking. Enter your booking reference number and your last name exactly as shown in your confirmation email. After entering the details, click on the button to find your booking. When your booking appears, carefully check the flight details to make sure it is the correct one. Once you are sure, look for the option that says Cancel Flight. Click on this option to proceed with the cancellation. After clicking Cancel, Easyjet will show you the cancellation details. This page will include information about fees and refunds. It is important to know that after 24 hours from booking, Easyjet flights are non-refundable. This means you will not receive your ticket price back. In addition, Easyjet charges a cancellation fee of £49 to cancel the booking. Once the cancellation is complete, you should receive a confirmation email from Easyjet with all the details. Thanks for watching.